Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today's recipe is a very special dal recipe which is my hubby's original recipe and I would love to share it with y'all. We make this often for guests and they always wonder how a simple dal is so yummy and flavorful. Today the secret is out, my friends. Follow this recipe and see how your family members and guests will drink bowls full of this dal. Come on. Here I have a cup of Moong dal and a cup of Masoor dal. Wash it a few times and soak for an hour. Now we will transfer it to a pot and add in hot water, turmeric, red chili powder, finely chopped onions, finely chopped tomatoes, coriander powder, cumin powder, salt, a dollop of ghee, and some sugar to balance the flavor. Give it a good mix and bring to a boil and keep cooking until the dals are soft. We will blend this dal to a rough texture with a hand blender and keep it aside. Now's the best part, the tempering. Ghee imparts a big flavor to the dal. Add in first and allow it to melt and then add in the oil. Allow the mustard seeds to crackle and then add in the asafoetida, curry leaves, fennel seeds, dry pomegranate seeds, roasted crushed coriander seeds, cumin seeds, and roasted Dhania dal, and mix well. Add in the crushed garlic and chopped ginger and saute for a few seconds. The detailed recipe is in the description box below. Add in the finely chopped onions and saute until golden on medium flame. At this point, we will pour in the dal we made earlier. Make sure you mix it well for the flavors to blend. Go ahead and click the subscribe button for such yummy recipes I post every week. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves and mix well. Once you make this dal, you will not go back to the other dal recipes. We are almost done here. A squeeze of lime juice makes a big difference in the final taste. Hope you like this recipe and thanks for watching. Bye.